So, you're thinking of getting your very own Bissell Pet Stain Eraser extraction machine for those little spots that happen at your home, for pet accidents and little spots and spills. Well, hopefully this video will give you some insights. It's a little longer than our normal videos, but we think you'll find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's Dave again with Regal Fabric Care. We're here today to give a brief and hopefully a thorough review of this new Bissell machine. It's called the Bissell Stain Eraser, and it's pet stain eraser. It's made for pet accidents, at least that's the way it's promoted. In the Boston area, a lot of our customers ask us what they can use for a machine to do extraction of small spots, not just pet related, but in between visits from us. So this is a rechargeable. You can see the charge cord right here. Lasts about 30 minutes on a charge. And this has it's like a mini wet vac. It has an extraction pot, which is the wet vac pot, and then a spray, which is a small electric pump in here, which sprays the solution. My advice to you, just let's talk chemicals first, is this is the product that comes with the Bissell. And I'm sure you could call them up and go online and buy some more. The chemistry is the simplest part of this. We don't suggest you use chemistry like this. The simplest way to clean both synthetic and natural fibers is to just use some Woolite in warm water. You can mix it into a hot pot like this if you wanted to warm it up, but don't get it too hot. And the directions are on the back, but a small amount per quart of water is more than enough. You'd froth it up with a horsehair brush and you would apply it after the initial rinse. And the solution tank, which is where they want you to put this in here, I would put a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar in warm water. It's a great rinse, so you would apply this detergent to the spot manually or in a spray bottle and rinse, use the rinse function of this machine, and it would have the white vinegar and water. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to turn the machine on. It's going to be just a little bit noisy, it's not that bad. And we'll see what it can do against these coffee grounds. So, as you can see, it's going to pick that up. That's the easy part, the loose ground. And you can see the spray coming out, and then the wet vac part is going to pick that up. Again, it sprays out the front, and then you come with the wet vac, you go over several passes, and this is far. Simple on and off button. This is far from a professional machine. Actually, we've done comparisons with this versus a $30 small wet vac in a spray bottle, and the wet vac and spray bottle actually do a better job as there's more suction. But if you want a one machine all combined, costs about $80. It's not a bad little investment. A big dog who leaves big urine marks on a carpet, it won't help you too much. But this, just real quickly, this is the solution tank. So what you would do is you'd turn it like this piece comes off, and you would fill it. Again, we suggest equal parts of white vinegar and warm water. It seats back in here like that. This is a brush that you can either take off and scrub the carpet or scrub it as you're extracting. This brush for this carpet is way too aggressive. You might get all the stains out if you scour it like that, but you'll abrade the fabric and it will look terrible when you're done, even if you got all this coffee ground out, okay? Horsehair brush is the way to go, and blotting with white terry towels. The waste tank, which is here, simply push that button, pop it out, and empty it through this. Wash it out every time you use it. You can see the dirty water in there, pretty obvious. You clean it out, you put it back in, snaps right in like that. Again, on off, spray on the spot, extract it, and it collects under here. Remember to do multiple dry passes. A dry pass is simply going over this like this without putting down any moisture. And when you put the detergents down in the solution, you want to be able to bring all of that up and leave the carpet as dry as possible. If you have questions, leave them below. Comments, of course, are always welcome. If you like the video and want to see more like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The little bell next to it, of course, will advise you when the new video comes out. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.